Hey man, I'm out here with the one and only Panther, man.
Putting in work.
Looking at the project he got going. So 19, what is it, right, for years?
70.
1970 Chevelle. Yep, that's the car that everybody loves. That's America's car right there, man. 1970 Chevelle.
I did look good, Mike.
I'm gonna show y'all the before, man. But earlier what you didn't see was, bam, it's quick. He worked quick around here, man. Hey, he working quick around here, right?
Yeah,
Hey,
I got a little time. We got a
motor just set in there, bro.
We got a bunch of cars coming out soon. We'll be, hitting the block. We got Monte Carlo, Jones, Fields. We got them all coming.
You got them coming there.
Everybody's doing their own thing. Shout out to Ed Lover, Little L, T-Dog, Big Mike.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Drew. All them boys, the old school funk coming out. Curtis, you know what I'm saying? Everybody.
Got a lot going on, man.
So,
Did you see?
all stuff scattered.
Hey, she's alive. She's alive, man.
We'll get all this done up, and I'm gonna go ahead and give a shout out to Mayo's Paint Shop. You know what I'm saying? Mayo's body work. He's supposed to be doing the paint job on it, just like I done the bourbon. She'll be fresh.
Yeah.
Little time. Little
What name you going with her? What you call her?
Man, it's Black Panther.
Black Panther. You gonna go black out with her?
Black on everything. Black
Yeah.
on everything. When she come out, I want to squat and back a little bit, and get sideways on her. She'll be ready. I'm trying to determine